Will the crisis hit Paytm Payments Bank, an affiliate of Paytm, make it beyond February 29? Or will this be the end for it? We will know soon. For now, all eyes are on the RBI's proposed discussions with the National Highways Authority of India that operates the FASTag service and the NPCI that oversees the Unified Payment Interface infrastructure scheduled for next week. According to media reports, the meeting will deliberate on the rescue plan for users of Paytm Payments Bank. In a regulatory filing, Paytm indicated that it anticipates a potential impact of 300 to 500 crore rupees on its annual EBITDA going forward as a result of the Apex Bank's 31st January order. However, the Payments Bank has not been abandoned completely. It has had several suitors since the RBI's clampdown. SBI and Axis Bank have reportedly expressed readiness to work with Paytm, subject to RBI's approval. Axis Bank later clarified that these discussions predate the regulatory crackdown and are unrelated to specific transactions. In a statement, SBI chairman Dinesh Kumar Khara expressed readiness to help Paytm customers if there was a direction from the RBI. According to a financial daily, Paytm is in talks to sell its wallet business, and HDFC Bank and Jio Financial Services were in the forefront to acquire it. The wallet business operates within Paytm Payments Bank. According to the report, Paytm is looking for a deal to ensure the continuity of business and had reportedly approached HDFC Bank for a deal just before the RBI ban. However, Jio Financial Services has denied the report, and while no clarification has come from HDFC Bank yet, Paytm has said it doesn't intend to sell its wallet business. Keeping speculations aside, veteran management consultant Ashwin Parekh explains if there is a possibility to rescue Paytm Payments Bank.
Now, as far as Paytm Bank is concerned, the bank, to my mind, has absolutely no future whatsoever. Because in the normal course, I mean, if somebody comes forward to make a payment for that, let's say for a consideration, for let's say taking the equity of the bank and running it thereafter. The trouble is that person may not even know what are the observations sitting on KYC. He may actually inherit a lot of KYC problems, and then it suddenly finds that the regulatory observations are so deep, that it will be worth not their while to really consider that. I personally would believe that the normal course should be that in the normal course that the customers from the bank migrate, let's say, to the other banks, basically. Now, there once again, for any particular bank to come forward and make a claim, to say that look, only I should be preferred, would be a very wrong thing. I think the customers need to be given that choice.
Paytm Payments Bank has been an important subsidiary of Paytm, and Paytm Wallet has been one of the leading products offered by the Payments Bank. According to RBI's provisional data for December 2023, Paytm Wallet users carried out 247.2 million transactions worth over 8,000 crore rupees for the purchase of goods and services, while 20.7 million transactions were carried out for transferring over 5,900 crore rupees. If the wallet does not return, experts believe Paytm would lose much of its brand value. Shares of 197 Communications, Paytm's parent company, tanked to a record low of 325.3 rupees on February 15 on the BSE, following the Enforcement Directorate's investigation the day before. It lost about 57% of its value in 11 days following the RBI ban on its payments bank. Here's how Business Standard's Tamal Bandyopadhyay sums up the situation.
The bank and the Paytm brand, which is UPI, are integrated. What I'm meaning is this: the Paytm wallet, which was actually run by a group company, and when the bank started, Reserve Bank of India 2017 forced the group to have it with the bank. PhonePe or say Google Pay, they are not banks, but they run their own wallet. But in case of Paytm, it was not allowed. Because it's got a banking license, the Payments Bank itself had it. Now, I'm not very sure how does anyone reposition this, because Paytm brand is the overwhelming brand. So how will we manage this? Will Paytm group be comfortable in releasing this Paytm brand, which is the wallet, to somebody else? That question remains.
Industry observers suggest that if a new entity acquires Paytm Payments Bank, it will need to reapply for a banking license and authorization to operate the wallet business. That's a potentially lengthy process. Whether any institution will take this risk with Paytm remains uncertain.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
She has ambitions of becoming a brand. Business Standard.